Hi, this is Tania and welcome to my channel Chef Tania's Rannaghar. Today I am making chicken cheese balls. Let's take chicken and transfer it into a mixing jar and paste them. Now add black pepper into chicken. You can also add black pepper powder. Now add ginger and garlic paste. Now I am adding few things like chili flakes, oregano, salt, green chilies, chopped capsicum, boiled corn. At last add some coriander leaves. Mix well all the ingredients. Now I am adding corn flour to reduce the moisture in the mixture. Now rub oil on your palm and give them shape like balls and put the cheese inside the balls. Beat the eggs with salt and black pepper. Now dip each chicken balls into egg batter and coat the chicken balls with breadcrumbs and repeat the process. If you love the video, please do like, comment, share and subscribe. Now prepare a kadhai for deep fry and add oil into it. When oil are enough hot, lift the balls into the oil carefully. Fry on low heat until they turn into nice golden brown color. Chicken balls are ready now. Serve with sauce. See you again on next video. Till then, tata.